2025 is here, and with it comes the opportunity for a new beginning. But look, let's be honest. The road ahead won't always be smooth. There'll be challenges, there'll be setbacks, there'll be moments that definitely test you. Know this though, resilience isn't about avoiding those moments. It's about rising when you fall. It's about reframing struggles as opportunities to grow. It's about rebuilding yourself stronger and wiser every single time life knocks you down. So this year, when the journey feels tough, remember every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Every moment of doubt is a chance to prove to yourself you indeed can. So lean into your challenges, surround yourself with your tribe of the people who lift you up, and keep pushing, because resilience is what turns setbacks into comebacks and goals into achievements. 2025 is definitely yours to rise, to reframe, and to rebuild, no matter what comes your way. So keep on pushing. Happy New Year.